Hello students of class first. Today we are going to read our second chapter, Say No to Plastic. Students, do you know plastic is very harmful to our environment? Although plastic bags have become a necessity in our life and provide a ease and convenience, but plastic bags are non-biodegradable and they take hundreds of years to decompose in the soil. Many domestic animal and wild animal eat plastics, mistaking them as food and die immediately. So we should follow eco-friendly habits and say no to plastic. Now let's start reading of this chapter. Vinay and Karthik are classmates. They are going for a walk after school. On the way, they see a cow eating a plastic bag. Vinay says, "It is not good to eat plastic, is it?" Karthik says, "No, it isn't." They see Nandu. He sells vegetables and fruits. He is putting ripe red tomatoes and yellow mangoes into a plastic bag. They tell him, "People throw away the plastic bags and cows and other animals eat them. That's not good, is it? Plastic bags also make the surrounding dirty. Please don't use them." Nandu asks, "What should I do?" Vinay and Karthik say, "Please ask people to bring cloth bags." Nandu says, "All right, I will try." Soon there are fewer plastic bags on their street. Now Nandu's wife Kamini makes cloth bags. She sells them and many people use cloth bags. The street is clean now. So students, at the end of the lesson, children must have understood that the use of plastic bag is very harmful. That is why we should ask our parents to carry cloth bag whenever they go to the market. Students, at the end of this chapter, here are few exercises related to this chapter. Your first exercise, answer these questions orally. Your first question, why should we keep our surrounding clean? And answer is, we should keep our surrounding clean for healthy lifestyle. Okay. Your second question, why should we not throw rubbish on the ground? Answer is, we should not throw rubbish on the ground because it makes the place dirty. To keep the place neat and clean, we should throw garbage in dustbin. Okay. And your second exercise, comprehension. Here are few statements. If the statement is right, then you can write here yes, and if the statement is wrong, then you should write here no. First statement, Vinay and Karthik are in the same class. Yes. They are brothers. No. They go for a walk after school. Yes. They see a dog eating a plastic bag. No, because they see a cow eating a plastic bag. Okay. Next, plastic is bad for animals. Yes. Next, Nandu sells fruits and vegetables. Yes. Next, plastic bags make the surrounding dirty. Yes. And last, Nandu did not agree with Vinay and Karthik. No, because Nandu completely agreed with Vinay and Karthik. Students, your next exercise, answer the following questions. Your first question, who are classmates? And answer, Vinay and Karthik are classmates. Your question second, What do Vinay and Karthik see on the way? Answer. Vinay and Karthik see a cow eating a plastic bag on the way. Your question third. What does Nandu sell? Answer. Nandu sells fruits and vegetables. Your fourth question. How can we keep our street clean? Answer. We can keep our street clean by using the cloth bag instead of plastic bag, and we should carry cloth bags for purchasing the things from the market. So these all are answer of these questions. Your second exercise, learn words. Each question has a list of 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle the odd one and give a reason for your answer. Orange, apple, pear and chili. In this, chili is a vegetable while others are fruits. Orange, apple, pear are fruits and chili is a vegetable. So, correct answer, orange, apple and pear are fruits but chili is a vegetable. Your second, bear, tiger, tree and elephant. Correct answer is tree. Tree is a big plant and bear, tiger and elephant are wild animal. So your answer, tree is a big plant while another are wild animal. And third, radio, pen, paper, eraser. So circle the odd one. Radio. Answer is radio. Because radio is a means of communication while others are stationary things. Pen, paper and eraser are stationary things. Next, bus, car, boat and van. So the odd word is boat because boat is a means of water transport while others are different vehicles of land transport. This is your last exercise. Learn grammar and use of this and that. This and that both are singular pronoun. There is a one big difference between them. This is used for to show single person, place, animal and things near to us, and that is used to show single person, place, thing far away from us. So this is used for near and that is used for far. And look at the picture. Here are 2 girls and one girl, a table and a cup, and the cup is very near to the girl. And on second picture, girl and a big tree, and this tree is far away from this girl. So where we use this and that? This is used for near. So here we will use this. What is this? This is a cup. And second, what is that? What is that? That is a tree. Okay students, if you have any doubt, any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.